Three food groups that cancer loves. Number one is sugar and sugary foods. Now, cancer cells depend on a process called glycolysis, where we convert glucose into energy in the presence of oxygen. When you consume more sugar and sugary foods like cakes, pastries, ice cream, soda, bicarbonated drinks, you're basically providing more fuel for the cancer cells to spread in your body and for the tumors to grow in your body. These are foods you can live without. Instead, cut back on these foods because remember, they also weaken the Agni, the digestive fire, which again weakens the immune system and leads to accumulation of ama or toxins in the body, which is again conducive for all kinds of diseases. Number two is yeast. Fermented foods like beer and bread may seem convenient, but these fermented foods have been linked with chronic inflammation in the body. And inflammation leads to a series of other diseases. It increases pitta imbalance in the body and weakens your immune system, your Agni, your digestive fire. And this inflammation can lead to the cancer cells growing and thriving inside of your body. Instead, eat freshly cooked foods like fruits, vegetables, grains, pulses, legumes, lentils, nuts, and seeds. These are whole food plant-based diets that have been recommended by Harvard, Stanford, yoga, Ayurveda, naturopathy, and all these sciences, because these foods are your longevity foods that improves your lifespan and improves your ability to fight cancer cells and all kinds of diseases. Number three is acidic foods. Now, acidic foods like coffee, alcohol, processed meat, seafood, these foods create an acidic environment where cancer cells thrive. You need to create an alkaline environment that comes from fresh fruits and vegetables. Acidic foods also increases pitta imbalance, which then increases inflammation, and that increases the risk of cancer cells growth in your body. By switching to a whole food plant-based diet, you will be giving your body a fighting chance against all kinds of diseases, especially gut-related cancers and other digestive health issues. Here's to healthy living and a healthy you.